Okay, news now on that gang rape MMS. Now we're getting news that that missing girl has finally been found by the police. ASP Sudhir KR Pilibhit has in fact confirmed that the girl has been traced by the police, although they are still not disclosing where and in what circumstances she was found. But the news is that that gang rape victim has finally been located. This after this very shocking MMS, started doing the rounds, and the relatives of that girl received this MMS by, the alleged rapists. Now let's get in our correspondent Amir Haq for more on this. Amir, so what's the latest update?
Well, Avantika, let me clarify. The girl has been recovered by the UP police teams that were sent out to trace her. But the police is not actually giving out details on under which circumstances was she recovered and from exactly where was she recovered. And let me also clarify. She is not a gang rape victim. It was only her family who kind of identified her in the gang rape clip, which was made in the form of an MMS. But today in the afternoon, the police here clarified that she's not the girl there in that MMS clip, and also that this clip was shot somewhere in Andhra Pradesh sometime about a year back. So in fact, this MMS clip or this gang rape incident had nothing to do with this case. This was a simple, missing persons case, which was lodged very, very late by the UP police. That's one point against the UP police. But after this entire, news broke out and it was flashed all across media channels, the police actually swung into action then and finally recovered the girl after, going after her for just about 2 days now. So here, this makes it very clear that if the police actually wants to work, it can work, because over the last 45 days or so, ever since this girl went missing on the 23rd of November, her family, kind of ran from pillar to post after senior officials, including the police and administration officials here in Pilibhit. But, leave alone tracing the girl, the police here did not even lodge a missing persons report. And finally, after they went out to trace her, they've actually found her.
No, but Amir, that's the police's, claim that this gang rape MMS is an old one that was probably reported from Hyderabad. What about the family members who are maintaining consistently that the sister of this missing lady, she was the one who received this gang rape MMS via WhatsApp? So are the family members lying, or is the police lying? Somebody is saying something wrong here.
Well, yes, absolutely. That part was kind of very mysterious initially. But now, since the police has found out, and, we also know through our sources that this particular clip has been into circulation for last over a year. And also, with the kind of ambience that this clip has, it is absolutely clear that, the people involved, either the victim or the perpetrators of this heinous crime, they were not talking in the local language here. So it was very clear that this has not been shot in UP or Pilibhit. That apart, the family was actually sticking to their guns. They were continuing with their claim that this is indeed the girl, their own, daughter, who's gone missing, who's being shown being gang raped in this clip. But now, since the girl has actually been recovered, and also the family members who are here in Pilibhit have been asked to come and identify her, it seems that it's clearly the end of a very sordid saga of speculations from within the family that the girl was missing, she might have been killed, or she might have been gang raped as well.
Yes, absolutely. The good news, of course, is that the victim has been found. The police have been able to trace the victim, who is not a gang rape victim. But, the mystery still remains over the origins of this gang rape MMS that was sent to the victim's family. But we're getting in reactions from the victim's sister and from the police as well. Let's just listen into those reactions.
बल्कि दूध से एक दिन पहले ही आ गई थी शाम को। फिर यहाँ पे दूध यूज करके मैं 14 तारीख को वापस चली गई हूँ। उसे 23 तारीख को बैठा ला पापा ने रोडवेज से। 2:02 पे उसने मुझे फ़ोन किया कि मैं बधाइयों की बस पे बैठ गई हूँ। लेकिन उसके बाद 3:30 बजे मैंने फ़ोन लगाया, तब से उसका ना कोई फ़ोन लगा है, ना ही कोई फ़ोन किसी के पास आया है घर में। 2 दिन हो गए जब तक उसका कोई पता नहीं लगा, तब पापा ने उसकी रिपोर्ट लगाई ये पीलीभीत सुनगढ़ी थाने में। लेकिन उस टाइम पुलिस ने ना कोई ज़्यादा जल्दबाजी दिखाई ढूंढने के लिए, ना ही कोई बात सीरियस ली। 2-3 दिन पहले उसकी एक बहुत गलत वीडियो आई। कुछ लड़के उसे परेशान कर रहे हैं, लगभग 7-8 लड़के हैं, और वो रो रही है, कुछ नशे की हालत में लग रही है, और उस वीडियो में बच्चे के रोने की आवाज़ भी है। बहुत परेशान लग रही है, वो अपने आप को थोड़ा बचाने की कोशिश कर रही है। जब से वो वीडियो देखा है, हम सब परेशान हो गए घर में। अब तो 1-1.5 महीना हो गया, क्या पता मार के डाल दिया हो उसे कहीं।
इस संबंध में तत्काल मुकदमा पंजीकृत किया गया और कुछ टीमें सर्विलांस और पुलिस की बुलाकर विभिन्न जगह पर भेजी गई, और ये अभी तक ये फैक्ट समझ में सामने आया है कि वो जो वीडियो दिखाया गया था वो 22 नवंबर को भी वायरल हुआ था, लड़की के जाने से एक दिन पहले। तो इसकी विवेचना जारी है और जांच, हर पहलू पर जांच की जा रही है, और जो भी तथ्य सामने आएगा उसके अकॉर्डिंगली कार्रवाई की जाएगी।
Okay, we just clearly heard the sister saying that she did receive that gang rape MMS, and that really prompted the family to, press the panic button. In fact, initially they had gone to the police to register a case against, to register a case about their family member gone missing. Amir Haq joins us for more. Amir, a lot of mystery still around the origins of this gang rape video that has been sent to the victim's family. What are the police saying about it? Do they still maintain that this is an old video? This was probably shot, in Andhra Pradesh, and, this video was not shot in Uttar Pradesh. Or what are they saying about the video itself? Because the family is claiming that they did receive this MMS via WhatsApp.
Well, Avantika, the bites that we just played were taken a few hours back.
Yes.
And situation over this case has, changed so rapidly over the last 36 hours or so that it's actually been very difficult to keep pace of that.
Okay.
Well, the news that we just broke came in just a few minutes back. So we still do not have an official reaction from the police or from the family of the missing girl. But yes, the police has confirmed to us that the girl has been recovered. Now we're keeping our fingers crossed because we'll have to see whether the family actually goes ahead and identify that girl as their daughter, as the one who actually went missing on the 23rd of November, and whether that MMS clip has anything to do with this case will also be found out once the girl is identified.
What prompted the police now to react and take action and find this missing lady? Why were they silent all this while? What took them to finally lodge an FIR, to file a missing persons complaint, and then finding that finding the victim also?
Well, Avantika, the police is being very tight-lipped at the moment. They are not revealing anything on the record. Perhaps they're waiting for their senior officials to give them a go-ahead as regards making an official announcement about the recovery of the girl. But yes, definitely, the entire action of the police is in question because it's been over 45 days that the family of the victim had been running around towards senior police officials and administration officials here in Pilibhit, and none of their complaints were heeded to by all these officials. And an FIR was only lodged just about 2 days back when they cited this MMS clip, telling the police that the girl might really have been gang raped.
Okay.
So perhaps that only prompted the police as well as senior officials to swing into action, and that's where perhaps the entire case took a positive turn, and finally the police claims that the girl has been recovered.
Okay, finally, the ordeal of the family at least is now over. The missing girl has been found. She is safe. That's what we are hearing from the UP police. There is still a lot of questions about, the origins and the emergence of this gang rape MMS that was apparently sent to the victim's family.